Hello friends, welcome to Tackle, and in this video we are going to see about the following things. So let's have a look to the table of content first. Our first topic is a simple Hello World application. The second topic is JS versus JSX, which is the better option and why. And the third topic is rendering an element into a DOM. So let's quickly get started. This is our Hello World application. So for that, what I have done is I have created a simple React application with the command npx create react app and the name of the app. If you are new to the React, then please go and watch the first video of this React, and after that start watching the vlog too. By doing so, my React app will be created, and in my React app I have just gone into app.js file that I have, and over there I will first find the entire div tag with app class, but I have just removed all these things and have kept h1 tag only. Okay, so division, and in that h1 tag is there where I'm just simply writing the hello world. Now I will run this application. For that, the command is npm run start, or if you don't remember it, then you can just simply go to package json file, and from the script you can see here start. So npm start or npm run start, any command can work. So here our hello world has been rendered. That is it about the point number 1. Now let's have a look into point number 2, that is JS versus JSX, and which option is better and why. Okay, so for that let me open my text editor. I think you guys might not be able to see from the text editor, so rather I will go with Google Docs. Okay, font size is 16, yeah, that is fine. First we will be talking about the JS. JS is an abbreviation of JavaScript. Okay, and in JS what we do is we will first create one HTML page, and then we will create one JavaScript file, and from the HTML file we will call the JavaScript file. Okay, and the application would go accordingly. So let's just take an example of it. So this is my HTML page. Okay, a body tag will be there, but I'm not writing it. A simple h1 tag, okay, with id h1. This is my HTML file. Okay, now I will create one JavaScript file with .js extension, and in that what I'll do is document dot get element by id, and my id would be h1 dot inner html is equals to, let's say, hello world, yeah. And from here, from the script tag, I'll provide the source, and whatever is my name of the file, I'll just keep that with the .js extension, and my application will get run. This part will go into a body tag, but I'm not writing it down over here. This is just a very quick example of it. So in JavaScript, HTML page would be separated from the JavaScript page, and then we need to embed this JavaScript file into this HTML file. But in the case of JSX, we do not need to do such things. So first we will go through the basic concept of JSX, that what it does, and then we'll see it practically. So JavaScript XML, that is the full form of it, JavaScript XML. It is one extension version of the JavaScript. That means we can embed HTML with JavaScript in one single file. So let's say we have one JavaScript extension file, and in that we are creating one element, okay, and in that element we are providing h2, okay, that is hello world. Now what we just need to do, we just need to run this file, and yeah, we are good to go. Let's just see it practically. So in this same application, what I'll do, I'll just rename this, okay, with the JSX extension, okay. I'll just create one element over here, h1 slash h1 and hello world, okay. And now I will just return the element. Yep, that's it. Okay, yeah, that's it. So JSX will embed both things, HTML and JavaScript. So now the question arises that which is preferable to use, right? So both are equally important and both can be interchangeably used, but JSX is more popular over JS. The reason is user can easily read the code and easily understand the code and easily implement the complex logic in just one shot, and the entire thing will work fine. So JSX is more popular than JS, but yeah, both can be used. So yeah, that is about the point number 2. Now let's talk about the point number 3, that is rendering an element into a DOM. Now before moving to this point, you should know what is DOM. So DOM is nothing but document object model. Now in some HTML file, if you have worked with HTML, you know that each tags are nothing but elements, and those are placed inside the DOM, okay. So let's just take a very quick explanation of this. So let's say DOM is there, okay, and all the elements, okay, that is h1 or h2 or div tag or all the elements, they will be placed into this DOM, okay. And each time when we refresh the page, the entire DOM element will be refreshed. That means the entire list of tags, okay, that will be refreshed, and that we will be re-rendered into this DOM along with the entire DOM. So this might take some time, but with React framework, now what is the case? So let's say DOM is there, okay, and we can create as many root node as we want, okay. So let's say one root node is there, okay. Now there is some other application 2 is there, okay. Here my application 1 is there, and in my from the application 1 I want to create an application 2. So for that as well I can create root. So we can create roots as per our requirements, okay. And if we update one root element, so only that root element can be updated and not the rest of the roots, okay. I will just quickly show you this by walk you through one site, okay. So let's just take an example of Zara website. So first the header got loaded over here, and then this image got loaded, right? And whenever you scroll, the image will be loaded accordingly, okay. Again I will refresh, just have a look to it. first header and then the content. Now if I make change to the header, then only header part will be loaded, will be re-rendered, and not the entire or and not the rest of the elements. So this is the benefit of using React framework of JavaScript over any other framework and over the HTML or WordPress that we have. Okay, so that is why React is most popular in the marketplace. Okay, I hope you guys understood all these points, and if you have any doubts, just feel free to comment down all those. I will try to answer all of them, and we'll just meet in the next video. Till then, bye, take care.